Uh, I hope you will listen to me. I was today hanging right now. I want to make a video about fast twitch, slow twitch fibers and genetics. I want to say that you scientists are dumb and you sports scientists are really dumb. That's because you create your own barriers and tell to the people you have to believe what we believe. That's not the true. You have to be your own scientist if you are doing sports of any kind of thing. You have to learn from whether it is right or wrong by doing by practice. By doing you have to learn that. I don't think genetics, you have to be a genetic freak in order to perform better, in order to become great successful in sports or anything else. If the environmental conditions change, whatever the genetics you may be, if the environmental conditions is worse than the previous environmental conditions, then the person or being will be not perform that much great. When the environmental conditions is better in order to perform better, and the nourishment is better, then he'll perform better than the previous genetics. It's all about the environmental conditions. So I was denying the fact that genetics is not true. You never have to be a genetic freak in order to perform better. And the second thing is fast twitch and slow twitch fibers. In one of the articles, Arthur Jones said the color of the muscle determines by the fluids that pass through it. Uh, Thinking that if white color muscle fibers is fast twitch and red color muscle fibers is slow twitch, that's also a foolishness. You can be a long distance runner, at the same time you can be a greatest sprinter of all time. I will prove that. If you give me a better long distance runner, I'll make him a better sprinter. If you give me a sprinter, I'll make him an best endurance runner. That's the theory. You have to become the off season. The foundation phase has to be a distance. The power means to me not explosiveness, is the rate of work. If you increase the rate of work by reducing the time, when you cut the volume, you will be much more faster in anaerobic. The aerobic capacity, if the aerobic work capacity is high, then the anaerobic will be much more higher. So those are two of them. Genetics, you have to be a genetic freak in order to be better. That is wrong. And at the same time you have to have much fast twitch fibers and slow twitch fibers composition. That's too wrong. The color of the muscle is determined by the fluids that pass through it. In the Arthur Jones articles, he said that the chicken, the breast of the chicken, how can it be a fast twitch fiber? It uses less. It won't fly like the eagle. I don't think so, man. Those two statements were wrong. Those two statements were creating many sports persons from doing or achieving. That's it, guys. Signing off. Moses Jairaj. I have to practice. I completed 2 sets of hanging with bands. I was right now sometimes free hanging, sometimes I was connecting those bands to the stand, and I was hanging to the top here for height. Right now I was 184 centimeters. I came from 181 centimeters. That's it, guys. Bye.